Today, we're going to talk about the Go City Pass, which I purchased for my wife and 4 kids, and we went to Las Vegas, Nevada, and we used the pass. And I got to tell you that I was extremely skeptical about whether or not the pass would work, whether or not we would have problems, and whether or not it was a big scam, or whether or not it was just turned out to be a waste or very inconvenient. So I made this video really just kind of to share what my experience was and to help you understand whether or not it's the right deal for you. So if you've never been to Las Vegas, there is 1,000,001 things to do. And one of the concerns I had about using the GoPass was that it wouldn't be very convenient. People would give me trouble trying to accept it, and that it would, have a lot of fine print that I wouldn't understand or wouldn't really be, as easy to use as it appeared to be. And you're seeing a lot of images right now, and these are all the places that we use the Go City Pass to go to. One of the first things that I did was I looked online at the different places I wanted to go and what they were offering and how much the Go City Pass cost, and it didn't make any financial sense whatsoever to me. It seems like I couldn't find out how they were making money, because from what I was paying and from the attractions that I was able to, experience, it was a massive saving. So I tried it out, and, surprisingly, it worked. So when it's all said and done, here is the bottom line about how much money we saved. If we had to spend money to go to these attractions out of pocket, it would have cost us $3,078. However, using the Go City Pass, we spent $1,354. That means we saved a total of $1,724 using this Go City Pass. And just to let you know, I received nothing at all for making this video, no credits, no bonuses, no nothing. So this is just strictly my take on using the Go City Pass. So here's another aspect about using the Go City Pass that I absolutely did not understand. You can use the Go City Pass for multiple attractions every single day. What that means is that you can go to the same attraction over and over and over again. This included the restaurant. For example, Planet Hollywood, you got a $20 gift certificate per person. That means for a family of 6, that's $120 in free food that we went there multiple times and used every single day that we were there. One of the things I would highly, highly recommend you do before you go is to map it all out day by day, because Vegas, when I looked at the map, the hotels, they looked like they were relatively close, but believe you me, walking just in front of one hotel could take a couple minutes. These are some of the largest hotels in the world. So, map out day by day where you're going to use the pass. Highlight where each pass is located, because the last thing you want to do is walk by one location to get to another, and you end up passing 5 attractions that you could have actually stopped at. All the locations I went to using the Go City Pass, I highlight on my channel. If you can make sense of this and help me understand how in the world Go City makes money from these passes, please let me know in the comments section. There are things that you can do to highlight your experience while staying in Vegas. We used the Go City Pass for a lot of adventures that we had to pay money for, but there were a lot of free things that were just absolutely fantastic, that if you mix it in with the Go City Pass, it makes for a more well-rounded and for a better adventure. So the reason why I did this was to save money, and by going to some of these free shows, going to these billion-dollar hotels, just walking through the lobby, or maybe catching the free show, the fountain, or the Mirage Volcano, is absolutely worth your time and money. Well, no money, because they're all free. So this really enhances your experience. It makes for a better trip. This is why planning your trip out on paper is so very important before actually going to Vegas. So just to sum it up, it was absolutely worth every single penny. We got the all-inclusive pass for 5 days. We were there for a week, and it was absolutely worth it. In fact, one of the biggest regrets I have is that there were tons of things that we felt that we left on the table because we just didn't have the time to get, to see everything. So it had tons of options, and it got me into see things that I would ordinarily have never even tried. If there was one negative I could say about the Go City Pass, it's this. I wasn't exactly clear from their website what passes or what attractions I could use multiple times. Like the food surprised me. However, the big bus, which I wanted to use over and over again for transportation, I wasn't able to use that. I was only able to use that one time. But pretty much everything else you could use multiple times. So I wish the website maybe was a little bit clearer, but outside of that, it just was a fantastic money saver. I just could not believe how much money we saved using the Go City Pass.